Hello friend, this video is based on ion exchange process. This is the process to convert hard water into soft water. So this from here hard water is entered. This is the cation exchange resin. Another one is the anion exchange resin. This is the heater. Okay, this is the gap for remove vapors. Okay, from here the water is entered. Then in this first column all the cations are absorbed by this cross link long chain resin having a micro pores on it. All the cations like Ca plus 2 Mg plus 2 that contains in the salt hard water are absorbed over here. Then the water goes from here and entered in second column. The second column, then all the anions are exchanged here. That is, all the anions are absorbed over there. Anions like CO3 minus 2 SO4 minus 2, like this, all the anions are absorbed over there. As similar to this resin is also the cross chain. That is, we can call this as cross link long chain of organic polymer with micropore structure of functional group. The regeneration, that is this long chain must have some limit to absorb the cation. After limit, this all the micropores are filled with the Ca plus 2, that is cations. So this acid is used to regenerate it. Okay, in second column all the anion exchange, like for example this resin is filled with CO3 minus 2 and SO4 minus 2. So alkali is used for regeneration of this resin. Okay, so water goes from here, entered in third column where a heater is there. So if we heat the water, then all the biotic impurities that contain in the water is removed. Then here we obtain soft water. Okay, so now we will see what chemically is occurring in this. Okay, in cation exchange resin, that is absorbing positive ions from the water, is absorbing the cation and giving the same number of hydrogen molecules in the water. Okay, so its formula is H2R. Okay, so its general formula is this H2R. So the process taking place in that, suppose Ca plus 2 plus this H2R gives us CaR plus 2H ion, 2H plus ion. Okay, if there is Mg plus 2 plus H2R then it is giving Mgr and plus 2 H plus ions. Okay, so it is absorbing Ca plus 2 and giving us the same number of hydrogen ions, okay, in cation exchange resin. So what will be happen in the anion exchange resin? And its formula is ROH twice. Okay, so if we consider that CO3 minus 2 is absorbing in anion exchange plus ROH twice gives us RCO3 plus twice OH minus. When SO4 minus 2 is absorbing plus ROH twice gives us RSO4 plus 2 OH minus ions. Here it is CO3 minus 2 is absorbing and the anion exchange resin is releasing the same amount of OH minus ions. Here SO4 minus 2 ions are absorbing by anion exchange resin and similar amount of anion, that is negative charge OH is released. The H plus ion and OH minus ion released from cation and anion get combined to produce water, that is H2O. So now next topic is the regeneration. Regeneration means when the capacity of anion and cation exchanger to exchange OH minus and H plus ion are lost, then dilute HCl or H2SO4 is added in cation to regenerate, that is to reabsorb the other ions. Okay, so dilute HCl or H2SO4 is added in cation exchange resin so the chemical reaction in that is CaR plus HCl, that is dilute HCl, gives us H2R plus CaCl2. To balance this reaction, we have to take two HCl molecules. Okay, so next reaction is for Mgr plus twice HCl, that is dilute HCl, gives us H2R plus MgCl2. And next in anion exchanger, that is we have to add alkali in that is NaOH in that. So for the chemical reaction in anion exchanger are RCO3 plus twice NaOH gives, this 2 is for just for the balancing the reaction, gives ROH twice plus Na2CO3. Next reaction is RSO4 plus twice NaOH gives ROH twice plus Na2SO4. So 4. If you remember this, that ROH2 is the general formula for anion exchange and H2R is the general formula for cation exchange. So this is all about the ion exchange method.